gotta have the Ducati. You ride Ducati? Yeah.
The 650 Eves. Ducati V4 Speciale. BST wheels. Nice seat. It's got the Krapovich exhaust.
They think they own it here, guys.
We just came out, do a little riding. Who out riding? We got my boy Mike, we got my boy Ed, we got my boy Easy, we got Movistar, Joker, Smoke. What's going on? And my man right here with this Cadillac.
It looks pretty.
So just waiting on 5 up. Then we're gonna go do a little riding. Take a look at. We're gonna take a look at Ed's bike.
Please do. Come check out the carbon fiber real quick. I've been looking for an opportunity to sell my carbon fiber bike. Not too many pieces, but it's enough pieces to make it look stunning. Come on to the side, I like just how the sun just kind of makes it look just so pretty.
So we're gonna start at the bottom with the belly pan. We got the carbon fiber belly pan, quick release right here. We got the mud flap, carbon fiber. Right here, carbon fiber. Krapovich exhaust is carbon fiber hanger. Got the carbon fiber on the fuel tank. So this is Blaze's bike. Like how these headlights be hidden back
Look
here.
what I got a fucking verse, a $40-something bike.
This fucking gorgeous. Damn, it's got carbon wheels on it?
Yeah, look at these, the new one too.
This is Stuntman right here.
I understand, man.